In our quest for progress, we often look to the stars, to distant galaxies and the promise of new frontiers. We dream of interstellar travel and harnessing the power of the cosmos. But sometimes the most profound changes begin quietly, right here on Earth in the hum of a laboratory, or the focused dedication of engineers. Today, July 24th, 2025, we stand at a crossroads in automotive engineering. A pivotal moment where the path ahead diverges in unexpected ways. A new sound is emerging, a subtle shift in the landscape of power. Not the roar of a traditional engine, the familiar rumble that has defined transportation for over a century, nor the silent hum of an electric motor, the whisper-quiet promise of a greener future, but something entirely different, a novel approach that challenges the very foundations of how we power our vehicles. This whisper comes from BYD, a company known for pushing boundaries, promising a new kind of power, a new era of automotive innovation. For years, electric vehicles have been hailed as the future, the inevitable evolution of personal transportation. With cities building charging stations and offering incentives, governments worldwide have invested heavily in the electric dream. The path seemed clear. Lithium-ion batteries and silent acceleration, a world powered by electricity. But what if that was just one chapter in a much larger story? What if a new character is about to change the story, rewriting the rules and challenging the status quo? The world of innovation is always in motion, a relentless pursuit of the next breakthrough. What's impossible today becomes tomorrow's reality, and the boundaries of what we believe are constantly being redefined. Now, the established world of EVs faces its own moment of discovery, a potential paradigm shift that could reshape the automotive landscape. A new engine, born from years of dedicated research and relentless experimentation, is challenging our assumptions about what's possible. It asks us to rethink what's possible, to question our preconceived notions and embrace new perspectives. What's efficient, what truly defines sustainable and responsible transportation, and what the future of driving could be, a future that may look very different from what we imagined. This journey isn't just about gears or batteries, it's not just about the nuts and bolts of automotive engineering, it's about a fundamental shift in how we think about energy and motion, a new understanding of the forces that drive our world. We'll explore the science behind this new engine, delving into the core principles that make it tick and the ripple effects it could have on our world, on our environment and on our future. So, let's pull back the curtain and see what lies behind this whisper of change. Let's uncover the secrets of this revolutionary technology. Let's explore the engine that some say could change everything. The innovation that could redefine the automotive industry. The revolution starts now. The transformation begins. A new era of automotive possibilities is dawning. So what is this breakthrough? BYD's technology isn't a pure electric motor or a traditional engine. It's a new generation of plug-in hybrid, the DMI 5.0, dual motor intelligent. Think of it as a bridge combining the best of both worlds. The real leap is in thermal efficiency, over 46%, a figure once thought impossible. BYD's engineers reimagined every component, optimizing combustion, reducing friction, and capturing wasted heat. The result? A system designed to waste nothing. Unlike traditional hybrids, the DMI 5.0 operates primarily as an electric vehicle. The gasoline engine acts mainly as a generator, not a direct power source. It's a fundamental shift, an electric car that carries its own power plant. This is the key to its potential. Imagine two cars embarking on a road trip, setting off on the same journey with different approaches. The first, a typical EV, glides silently, a marvel of modern engineering, promising a clean and quiet ride, until range anxiety inevitably sets in, forcing inconvenient charging stops that significantly slow the journey and add stress to the experience. The driver is constantly checking the battery level, wondering if they'll make it to the next charging station. The second car, equipped with BYD's innovative DMI 5.0 technology, represents a different paradigm. It intelligently starts in electric mode, perfectly suited for emission-free daily drives around the city. However, on longer trips, when the battery eventually runs low after significant distance, the highly efficient gasoline engine seamlessly and quietly kicks in, generating electricity on demand, keeping the car moving smoothly and efficiently without any interruption to your travel plans. No more range anxiety constantly looming over your head, and absolutely no need for those time-consuming long charging stops that disrupt your journey. Just a quick and convenient fill-up at any gas station along the way, getting you back on the road in minutes. The driving experience remains smooth and electric-driven, providing a comfortable and quiet ride, with the engine intelligently running at optimal efficiency to maximize fuel economy and minimize emissions. Need more power for overtaking or tackling a steep incline? The battery and engine seamlessly work together, providing an instant surge of acceleration when you need it most. Unlike pure EVs that rely on heavy and often prohibitively expensive batteries, BYD's innovative DMI system cleverly utilizes a smaller, more efficient battery and intelligently relies on the high energy density of fuel to provide an extended driving range, making long journeys a breeze. This ingenious approach effectively solves some of the biggest challenges currently facing EV adoption. The limitations of range, the inconvenience of lengthy charging times, and the overall high cost of ownership. With BYD's DMI 5.0, you get to enjoy the smooth and silent electric driving experience for your daily commute and the unparalleled convenience and flexibility of gasoline for those longer, more adventurous trips. It's an elegantly designed and remarkably efficient package that offers a truly versatile driving solution. It offers the best of both worlds, electric and gasoline, without forcing you to make any compromises on range, convenience or cost. Why do some say this could disrupt the EV industry? The EV world is built on the belief that the future is 100% electric, with combustion engines eliminated. BYD's engine challenges that, suggesting perfection, not elimination, of combustion. With up to 2,000 kilometers range and 5-minute refueling, it makes pure EVs seem limited. No need for new infrastructure, gas stations already exist. Automakers invested in pure EVs may need to pivot, rethinking their strategies. The industry may shift from giant batteries to smaller ones paired with efficient generators. It's not destruction but transformation, forcing evolution in a new direction. For consumers, it means electric driving without compromise. What does this mean for you? First, price. Smaller batteries mean lower costs, making advanced vehicles more accessible. Fuel efficiency is remarkable. Some models claim up to 81 miles per gallon, saving you money over time. You're no longer forced to choose between gas and electric, you get both. Daily drives are electric, but you're free to travel anywhere, anytime without planning for chargers. It brings spontaneity back to travel. Environmentally, it's not zero emissions, but it's a huge step forward. Most driving is electric, and when the engine runs, it's ultra-efficient. If millions switch from old gas cars to these hybrids, the global emissions drop could be dramatic. It's a pragmatic, accessible path to a cleaner planet. Experts are impressed. Thermal efficiency, range and fuel savings are real engineering feats. Many call it a game changer, praising its electric-first design and practical solutions to EV limitations. Rival automakers, however, are wary. Their investments in pure EVs are threatened. Publicly, they downplay it. Privately, they're scrambling to catch up. Environmentalists are split. Some celebrate the efficiency, others worry it prolongs fossil fuel use. The debate is pragmatism versus idealism, immediate emissions cuts versus waiting for perfection. Consumers and tech enthusiasts are excited. For many, this is the solution they've been waiting for. It fits real lifestyles without demanding change. Online buzz is growing, and public interest may ultimately decide this engine's fate. The momentum is real and growing. No new technology has a smooth road to adoption. BYD faces perception challenges. Many believe electric is the future, gas is the past. They'll need to educate consumers. This isn't your grandfather's hybrid. Regulatory hurdles loom. How will governments classify these vehicles? The answer could determine their global reach. But the possibilities are vast. In regions without charging infrastructure, this tech could leapfrog old polluting cars. It could democratize clean transportation worldwide. The core idea, extreme efficiency and smart energy management, could transform not just cars, but trucks, shipping and public transit. It's a new philosophy of power with global implications. We've explored BYD's new engine, a marvel of engineering that truly challenges our long-held assumptions about the future of driving. It represents a bold step forward, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive technology. It's not just a simple mix of gas and electric components, but a sophisticated and seamlessly integrated EV system with its own remarkably efficient power source. This innovative approach redefines hybrid technology. For drivers, it means access to affordable, practical and freeing cars. A driving experience with no compromise required. You no longer have to sacrifice performance or range for efficiency. For the automotive industry as a whole, it represents both a challenge to existing norms and a significant opportunity for growth and innovation. The ongoing debate between established bridge technologies and the promise of pure electric vehicles will undoubtedly continue, but ultimately the outcome depends on the informed choices made by consumers like you. Progress isn't always a straight line directly to the destination. Sometimes it manifests as a clever and well-engineered bridge, carefully guiding us toward the future we envision. This transformative story is still actively being written, unfolding before our eyes, and we're privileged to be here to witness its exciting early chapters. The road ahead, stretching towards the horizon, is brimming with untapped potential and endless possibility. Stay curious, never stop asking insightful questions, and continue to watch with anticipation as this groundbreaking technology continues to shape and redefine our world. Please like this video and subscribe to Cosmic Discover for more insightful explorations.